this also as a play.
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
zeroing. I don't know anything about gaming because I don't play games at all. I'm zero in gaming.
I'm much interested because I have a lot of time and I spend, even though I have many works, to refresh myself, I just go for video games. And so that way I have turned that gaming concept into this. I play this and I gain money. This is most happy thing I do in a day.
Yeah, that's great. That's great.
Right. So Jyoti ma'am, are you listening to me?
Yes, I'm 00.
It's not that 00 concept. Only the thing is shares also I have, but taking the time limitation, I cannot do this. ये जब भी पसंद है एक शेयर लेके डंप कर लेती हूँ. Whenever I feel like oh there is increase in it, I want to sell it, then I will sell it. Like that only I have started with the shares. This share market also I have not entered now. You know, maybe Sriharsha joined now. I did not learn anything. Without knowledge, I am 29 years हो गया मेरा शादी होके. 4 साल after marriage, that is 25 years back only I started with shares. I don't know with what knowledge I did. मेरे पास पैसा था, मैंने एक में लगा लिया, पैसा वो पर उठ गया. Oh, this is very nice करके मैं तभी से shares में था. लेकिन 92 जब crash हुआ ना, oh, London wala, that is
Lehman wala.
Yeah, that Twin Towers and one set was crashed and everything went down. Then I just kept by 2001 or 92 में ऐसा हो गया था. Then I stopped doing trade. And only recently my husband started buying these IPOs. From then we are doing that one. That's all. But apart from that, I used to do the sharing. I don't know how I got that knowledge, how I got that interest. There only the broker people who are used to be there. No internets, nothing now. So 25 years back. So I used to take up, whenever I'm interested, I have to telephone and then tell him, I want these shares, this many shares, this much amount. Then he will buy for me. And later on, after 15 days, I'll get those papers and I'll hold those papers. That was been like that with the share market. And nowadays, people are emerging in that. There are huge knowledge is there, and that I'm not going to learn anymore. उतना मुझे नहीं चाहिए करके I'm not going deeper into the share knowledge because I feel this is easy for me than that one. That's why I'm just doing with crypto nowadays. So to open and let me show my WazirX. Sir, you make me host, sir.
You can share it, madam. You can possible. So sharing is possible now.
Yeah. ఎందుకంటే నేను నా WazirX accounts చూపిస్తే ఒకసారి
Yeah,
we'll
please.
just understand.
Yeah, yes,
Handle
madam.
that.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Share the screen. So this is my WazirX. WazirX account. So this is the front page of WazirX. Can you listen to me?
Yes, madam. We can hear you.
Yeah, okay. Voice is audible. All right. So this is the WazirX page. So for part top, we see the portfolio. We have the amount 30,000 is there. In that, rupees are only 803 rupees are there. In the rupee value, mein to 803 hai. And in the value of in the USDT, I have $150. That is a what to say. I just hold the money there. Whenever there is drop or any increase in the shares, I can when the prices drop, I can immediately buy. When I have the like we save the money in the bank, we can save in these two forms. In the form of rupees also, in the form of USDT also, we can save the money like this. Right?
Okay.
No
madam.
interaction.
Okay,
I don't understand whether
madam.
you're
Okay,
getting
yes, madam. We can hear you. We can understand,
yeah.
madam.
So because I can't see any one of you, I don't expect
Okay,
without
madam.
an answer, I can't go forward.
Okay,
So
madam.
in Shibu, I have invested this Shibu, I have purchased very lesser price. Right? Suppose say for $50, I think $50, 5, 8, 40, for around 400-500 only I have purchased. Right. It is long back. When the Shibu was allotted, that is that Shibu has emerged. Shibu is the coin name, right, sir?
Yes. Yes, madam.
Shibu is one of the name of the altcoin. It is a small coin. So when it was released, I have purchased for around 500-600 only. Now it is boom in the boom now. Nowadays it is rising. So it has raised to 4,700. My target, see the number of digits in the top place. 858725 na? These are number of coins.
Oh, okay.
And the DJ wala to rupee, cost of the
Rupees.
share. Yeah. So what was my intent before buying these coins is, when I buy small coins with the small coins in large number, when it will one day or the other it will come to $1 at least.
Okay.
So now I have got 8,58,725 Shiba Inu with me. That number of coins are there with me, and they cost me 4,747. Now present day. When it grows to, suppose manaki ippudu inka 1 rupee avale, it is not even 1 rupee to our value, cost
Right.
of each share. Let me show you what is the cost of in Shiba Inu. For 100 rupees, how many we can buy? So for 100 rupees, we will be getting 18,092 Shiba coins now.
Very nice. Okay.
Present rate for 100 INR, we can get 18,092. That is the cost going on now.
Okay.
So if we wait for 1 or 2 years, when one coin raised to 1 rupee, then also with investment of 100 rupees, we'll get 18,000 rupees.
Yeah.
So like that, I just when the coin is issued the same day, if we buy, it will be given for a lot of price. Actually, that has happened to me when the Shiba Inu was launched. I have purchased with higher cost also, with around $50 also I have purchased, and that was a loss. Even though it was a loss, and it came down to one very lesser price, but now it started booming. Maybe I don't know how many days it will take. The boom will be there and it will become $1. Yeah, nobody can predict the time, and we can't say how many days it will become a bigger amount, right?
Yes, madam.
So
Yes,
this is the this is the way how to calculate. This is the for every coin, the rate will be represented like this. We can go with the Indian rupee also, and also the US dollar value also. Let me show you. Shiba in dollars also we can see.
This is like buy and hold it. These all buy and hold.
This thing only I do mainly. You can see the USDT here. Today the USDT is 178 rupees 56 paise.
Right, madam. Correct. Yes.
So 100 rupees. If you want for 5,000 rupees, if you want to invest, we will get only $63.66.
Correct. Yes.
Like that, we can calculate, and then we have to deposit like that.
Oh, okay.
In one trade section, in my trade history, if you go, these are the prior things which I buy, which I sell. Everything is shown here in one line only, in the same page only. So there are huge, because 1 year's एक साल का पुराना chart part आता है. Like that, we will be getting our trade history. If at all any buying history recently we have buy, we can go and check whether the transaction is over or not. We will check in this open trade.
Okay, madam. Okay.
Now going back to the page. So what all the shares I have, To test that, you have to go with for the funds. Then we will see what are the coins I am holding. These are the values of the things which I hold. Okay.
So WazirX is a platform where you can buy and sell.
Yeah, buy and sell. Both can be done here itself.
All
We can buy the coins in dollars also.
and rupees also.
Not only in INR, we can see the cost of it in
USD also. USD and INR both.
yeah, where let me see.
But you buy in INR or USD, madam?
I do it both the things. When I am buying, I have to make them into
USD.
USD. I have to first exchange into USD, then I have to buy with the exchange dollar price.
Okay.
When I want to buy in rupees, I will buy in rupees directly. So this is
Okay.
my Binance exchange.
So currency conversion.
Yeah, this is a Binance exchange.
Madam, can I say something?
Yes, sir.
Well, in WazirX, I had different email, and at Binance, I have a different email address. So what shall I do now?
So it is
What shall I
possible,
do now?
it is possible to
Whoever
update,
I'm
sir.
talking now, wherever I'm going to talk about cryptos, the first most thing I'm telling is, please make only one agreement with one bank, with 2 or 3, any exchanges you go, you just hold one bank contact only for that. That will be the easiest thing.
But I didn't know that. So
Interlinkage,
what shall I do?
you see me now,
So-
we can exchange from 2 to 1 from to other exchange. And we want to get the money back means we have to hold in a. If you have 2 banks means this interlink will not happen.
Was there,
No,
sir?
the bank account is same. Only the email address is different.
Is it possible to update, sir, any one of this one? Is it possible?
Well,
don't
I'm going to the settings of WazirX, and it doesn't show me any
Oh,
way to edit my email address. It's
Oh.
not showing.
okay.
So that's
this
what
is
I
my-
want.
Yeah, you can see this one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, madam.
This is my Binance home page. That is not home page, my wallet page.
Right.
Okay, in this wallet, in the top place, I have $2,023.
Okay, dollars.
That is my portfolio there.
Okay.
In Shibu, I have invested in Shibu. That is here. I told you about one software. So that software has purchased in that software, with the help of that software, I have purchased this many Shibu coins. And 1 inch also is in trading now. That also I have purchased it through the software. Recently, from 4 to 5 days, the market is so low that I'm getting very lesser profits, which I have declared 3-4 days back that I'm getting hundreds of dollars every day continuously. उसी दिन से मेरा खाता कम हो गया है. So the up and downs will be always there in the trade market. But what we have to stick is, okay, for 50,000 of investment, if I get 5,000 to 10,000, it is mostly welcome, isn't it?
Yes, madam. Yes,
We
ma'am.
have to, we have to set our mind like that. If we go beyond and get 15,000, it's lucky. We are low, so lucky. If you put tensions into the mind and then what to say? If you worry, nothing will happen. Only the BP raises go. Right.
Yes, madam.
And these are the coins I hold. Win was also a small coin which I purchased for very lesser price, and that was also a boom. When June में ना इसका बहुत the crypto trading has come very down. बहुत crash हुआ, उसका भी बहुत घट गया, lesser price हो गया. Until then, the Win coin was giving me little profit, but it has come down. Maybe one day or the other, I will gain through that also. Here also, I have 1 lakh of crypto Win coins. This is also one of my favorite coin. I want to see that into a $1 one day.
Okay.
That's why I hold Shibu and in Win coins. Dent was also there, but it is not rising very high. So these are the portfolios I hold. So let me come back to stop share. Is it somewhat clear now how the pages are there? How can we buy? WazirX में कैसा खरीद करना है मैंने दिखा लिया ना. You have
Yeah,
seen how
Utpal
to
sir.
buy.
Visa, WazirX and Binance, no? Binance both.
Yes, yes. And the other one which I was telling is that is the software Royal Q. Let me show that also.
Okay, madam.
This is the Royal Q. This is the Royal Q. So in this Royal Q, now these two I told you, no, I am trading with the Shiba and 1 inch. These two coins are in the trade now. So this Shiba, I have kept the trade setting for 30 levels. So I started with $50. Then I have kept 30 times of this trading. That is, every step that will be buying me 2 times of the investment. Like that, I told, that is, I have given the strategy for 30 steps. Understanding?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
When we buy for 50 rupees, 50 into these many times, all this amount should be there in order to keep the coin moving.
Okay.
Right. So we have to calculate 3, 6, 10, 15, another 20, 26, 30, 31, 30.
Madam, can you this one? Can you explain this one, madam? What is this actually? 0.5, 2 times.
Yeah, 58. So these are when I add the right times number, it is 58. 58 times of 50 rupees is 58 times means $2,600. I should keep ahead. If I have invested $50, right? I should be holding 2,600 to activate this coin for 30 steps of buying.
Okay, you keep on buying down. When it going down, keep on buying it.
It will buy. That software will be buying us. We don't need to buy. Whenever the candle is coming down, it will be buying. I don't have sufficient amount, means it will stop at a place.
Okay.
And left side, this first call, second call, this 0.8, 0.75, na? A percentages, na? I'll show you. Here you see the percentages, na? For for every 1.3, we will be getting the benefits. That is the profit. It will sell the coins and give us the profit, and again it will buy. The software, the duty of the software is when we reach the point. Here you see in the first line, position amount is 996 some point decimal. Then average price is 4073.07. Then number of calls is 5. So the meaning of this is, presently I have invested 996 rupees. With the average buying price of the coin is 7307. Now the present rate of the coin, current rate is 7064. This we can see in Binance. So the cost of the coin running is 7074. Now it has become 777 here. It goes on, the candle goes on coming up and down, no?
Yeah, okay.
So this should reach for me to this price, 7402. The target price, you know, take profit figure price is there, no?
Okay, this is sell. You could sell.
Yeah, to sell and give me profit, the candle should go this to this number 407428 202.
Okay.
So it has to come to 07424. Then only the profit is given to me.
Right.
Now, I told you, the market is stuck for 4 days and I am not getting any profit nowadays. Let me check you with your, this is the revenue card. So today I made only 1.7 rupees. $1.7 means 137 rupees. Okay.
Okay, madam.
The cumulative
Yesterday,
means that one month का अभी तक कितना हुआ? $741.87, and that is 58,000 rupees. I have totally got. From 1st of the October only I joined this.
right, madam.
So these are the day-wise charts.
Okay.
So from first I have, on first I have joined this software. I have taken wantingly on the first, and my niece, he has taken on 14th of September itself, and he has made 75,000 by now. I want to check for 1 month how much it will come. So I waited and then I purchased on 1st of October. So on
Okay.
first I got only $1.09. On 2nd of October I got $12. No, are you able to see this amounts?
Yeah. Yes, madam.
Yeah.
So third was $9, fourth was $7.6. And this is the thing which I here until 15th of this month, I was using only $80,000 rupees. That is $1,000 only. On 15th, I added one more $100,000. Right, that is $160. So 2,000 are there, means near about 1.5 lakh, 1.6 are there. 1.60,000 is invested there. So the profits are there, but here I was applying different strategy. All these dates I have been putting different strategies and I could see only 20, 25, 3, 4, only this profit. And on 25th, we have applied one different strategy. From then the game has started like this, $92.
Okay.
And this 92, when I got up in the morning and I was checking that, surprisingly seeing this, because all these days I have been getting till 20 only. 20 to 40 was the highest over here till now. Seeing this.
Because of strategy got changed, you are able to see different.
Yeah. So the strategy has made it. What is the success in this is you put little amount, but the reserve amount should be for 30,000. If you put for 30 steps means कितना भी नीचे जाएगा, हम पकड़ने के लिए तैयार है तो पैसा आता ही रहेगा.
Okay.
If the money is stuck, then the game will stop. So likewise, on the day which I announced everybody, मेरा नजर लग गया, इसलिए उसका तुरंत दिन $13 आया था. उसके बाद only 27, then only 7, and yesterday it was like this. Today I have not at all started because my money is stuck there.
Correct, madam. Some, like, let us say
Here 1,000 and 1,000 plus is being stuck. You can add this also. For Shiba Inu, you can see profit in the place of profit minus 35. Hai na?
Yeah.
This is also to be added to the total amount. The loss, this is the loss percentage, loss points. So $35 is also loss is there. Na? This we should add to the total. 996 plus 36, that is $1,050 I have invested here. And it is stuck now. I should, when it raises to $5, that is, when it comes to 7412402, I will get all that in the form of profit. That is, I will be getting $10 at a time. At once, I will be getting $10.
Okay, man.
Talking about the 1-inch coin, I have invested 500 rupees, 550 actually. There the loss is 45 here. So this also we should add there. Here 44 and this one totally 450 rupees is being invested in 1-inch. That is 1,500. Out of this 2,000 rupees which I have, 1,500 is being blocked here. That's why I am not getting profits from 2-3 days. That is at least 2,000 rupees. We can buy only one coin without any hindrance that will be moving up and down and giving us profits. ఆసపోకుండా
Yeah, there are two types are there. Like one is in invest and hold it. Other one is you can do the trading with Royal Q, like automatic trading. No?
this is one spot karke. Here one spot play is also there. That is, you put only one raise with the difference of one income, you come out.
Okay, okay, okay.
Here you can see cycle. Cycle means I ask the chain to go on. In 1 inch, I kept only one shot. So one shot, when it comes to this price, it gives the money and it stops the cycle. It will go away.
Yeah, yeah.
These are the coins which we can buy in. These are the list of coins. Out of thousands of coins which are there in Binance and WazirX, here this software is using only 72 coins.
Oh,
For
the
trading.
Royal Q.
Yeah. Here we have to buy only the coins from this chain.
Okay, madam. Good. I think like some
These
sort
are
of they
allowed. Only
identified
these
few
coins
things.
are allowed. Sir?
They identified only few 72. These only they can do the
Yeah,
trading in
72.
Royal Q.
Yes.
I think Royal Q you have to pay yearly, no? Yearly charges, no, madam?
Yearly we have to renew the amount. 120 rupees is the present price. That
Per
is
year,
$10.
per year.
Every month we have to pay the registration. That is renewal karna hai na.
How
The
monthly,
software-
monthly, how much, madam, for that?
Monthly 10 rupees, $10. And
Okay.
for 1 year we're paying $120. That will be coming to 10,000 nearly for us.
Okay, okay.
So this 10,000 for 1 year is a dead amount for us. It will not come back.
Okay, okay. 10,000 rupees per month. Per year,
Yeah.
you have to
For
keep it
every
aside that for the,
100 rupees it is making now. I'll show you one more thing. For every 100 rupees it is making, we have to put some asset value.
yeah,
That
yeah.
also I will show. So here, this is the asset. Third place which is asset and 6.6 something is there. That is, I am having $6 here.
Madam, we're not
Which
able
is
to see the
giving-
screen, madam. Can you please share the screen, madam?
Oh, I'm not sharing. Right. I thought I'm showing that. Okay, here. So from here we'll go to this is mine here. So when we go and click mine, asset will come. In third place, we have asset 6.636 for some amount is there. So we have only $6 here. $6 means out of $20, we can make $100 profit. If you put $20 here, it will give us $100. So for every $100, we have to put 20. So I 3 days back, I kept $50 over here. And it has given me $136 profit. And the prior day, some half of amount I got. And recently, 22 A sub ho gaya na. Now I have only $6 balance. Before it ends up, when there is no amount in the asset place, we will not get any transaction. This asset will be taken by them only when we get the profit. It will be only giving profits. Whenever we get the profits, then only it will be using our money. Loss either to kuch bhi nahi. The coin it will buy. When it is moving, we will be getting benefits. When it is not moving, we'll just hold and wait. With close our hands and wait. Just pray God that it is to grow. That's all.
Madam, can we open the two accounts in the WazirX? Two accounts is possible to open?
Yeah, you can open with your wife accounts also.
Yeah, that's possible. We wife account. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because one KYC
And
means one
this
person,
time
one
you
one
make it-
account.
Yes, we can have many accounts. You have 2 phone numbers and 2 account numbers. You can give 2 accounts also.
Oh, based on
We
phone
can
number. But KYC required, madam. KYC required. So KYC.
KYC required PAN number is needed. Everything should be given.
Okay.
And once it is given, it will not accept a second. One phone number is there also means it will not go with the same phone number. Because every time it is giving us a OTP to the phone number and to the bank account. That is a mail account.
Okay, madam. Yeah.
You should be doing when your transaction is done. It will take very carefully. It will do. It will always ask for the 2 OTPs. If it is only we can give. If it is any other person doing it, both the things will not be with that person, no? So they cannot do.
So if you wanted to start, we need to open the WazirIX account, Binance account, then Royal Q letter.
And
Royal Q.
Shravan will help you in doing that accounts. Whenever you need help, na, all the transaction part, he will help you.
Okay,
Only the
madam.
class part I can do
Okay,
it.
okay, madam. Okay. Yeah.
I think I have made you all understand, sir.
Yeah. Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Jyoti ma'am, are you clear?
Will take time, but yes, slowly I'm understanding. Yeah. It's very
Yeah,
new.
you- Yes. When we go and do it thoroughly, watching it, then we can understand which are the bigger coins, which are the smaller coins, the value of the coin. सब कुछ इधर छुपाना पड़ेगा. Then only we can. And
Yes, ma'am.
Vasudev sir, am I clear in everything?
I'm expert now.
Sir, you'll
No,
mute,
sir,
sir.
you're
What's the, sir?
unmute.
Can you unmute and speak, sir?
Unmute yourself. So not audible, sir.
You have become expert now. Yeah.
And no, because I've been
Yeah.
playing. I told you, no, it has been play for me. I daily go whenever the काम खत्म हो गया तो cell phone लेके क्या coin चल रहा है क्या. Yesterday also the market was dull. I had a few thousands, that is $700-800 were with me. Only now today every money, all the money is been taken by it. So yesterday I made use of single one shot play. I does it manually. I gave the command to buy it. It has purchased, and when I see risk, immediately I can do the manual selling. Then not a full amount, I can get half amount and come back. That
You know, without-
possibility also.
Without trial Q
So-
also, we can buy and hold, no, these currencies. We can
Yeah,
buy and-
that's what I told you in the WazirX. WazirX doesn't have any software to be attached.
Okay.
WazirX only manual buying, manual selling.
For Royal Q, you'll have the advantage of automatic. Just set up and it will
Yes,
do its
yes.
own automatically.
Yes.
Okay, madam. Okay,
Yes.
got it. Yeah.
So for the people who are depositing in the banks lakhs of money, so 1 lakh deposit of money into this software, using this software,
Yeah.
will fetch you for 50,000. You can expect 5 to 10,000. And for 1 lakh, it will be doubled. So
Yeah.
the bankers are not giving that price, that income. Even GTALs are not giving that much income also,
Hmm.
right? Because we are doing it in dollars, we can expect this much difference of the money.
Right, madam.
That is the only thing I can clearly see.
Well,
For
Madam,
GTALs, you are
almost 4:10. Is it okay? We can continue
yeah.
or you wanted to less than 1 minute?
no, that is clear now.
Madam,
will
I
go
have
to-
some, Madam, I want to ask something. I don't know why I cannot add the funds in WazirX. I want to add the funds, but it's not giving me any option here.
Sir, this will end the session, sir.
Adding
Less than
the-
1 minute. It will end the session. So maybe I'll stop recording
But
because
this